Hello everyone, it's Sasaworks. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and repair your damaged Windows files. So for that we'll need the command prompt. Command, right, wait, I should launch this with admin. Run as administrator, yes. So for that we'll need a command called sfc, which stands for system file checker /scannow. /scannow, it verifies your files and directly fix them. If you just want to verify them, you can go for verify now. Or if you already know you have a damaged file, you can simply write /scanfile. If you already have a damaged file, its location, its name, but you just want to fix it, write this scanfile. After that equals C, and here write directly the file path using /, like this /windows /system32, but I recommend entering the scan now one so it can scan everything. Press enter and let it scan and fix your files. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you later in another video. Goodbye.